Alright, in this video I've removed the .545 diameter weights that I added to the counterweight, and instead I put on 3/4 diameter by 100th thick additions to each counterweight. And again it has slowed the engine down. I'm getting a fairly protracted run of misses for each hit. It's got to be one of the noisiest engines that I've ever built, but it's the hit and miss mechanism itself is what's making all the noise. But you should be able to hear it when it fires. Alright, that's okay. That was today's effort. Thanks for looking.